Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once your system is updated, install KMyMoney with the following command. Now you can find the icon into your desktop or run KMyMoney by typing it in the terminal. It will be launched as shown. Here you need to finish the registration of your account, and after that you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.